recently, I've been wanting to purchase more secondhand clothes. I've been wanting to avoid shopping less from fast fashion brands, and I want to prove myself that sustainable fashion can be fun, creative, and not too pricey. So here are some outfits I came up with from some recent purchases I've made from thrift stores. This first item is a white lace-like top. I often use a transparent tiny rubber band to knot the shirt. After, I hide the knot to create a crop top look. I like to pair this top with some high-waisted shorts that were originally some jeans. I cut the legs and now I just fold the part where I made the cuts every time I wear the shorts. This is how the completed outfit looks like. The next item is a gray turtleneck. I decided to pair the long sleeve with a plaid skirt. And this is the completed look. Although I just realized this look would also look incredible with some knee-length boots as well. The next item is this overall plaid mini dress that I paired with the same gray turtleneck. And this is the completed look. The next item is this knee-length white dress. I've actually been thinking of cutting the dress to create a tube club-like dress instead, but for now I'm actually enjoying the modest knee length. The next piece of clothing is this vintage-like sweater. I often like to tuck this sweater under some high-waisted jeans. This is so far one of the most comfortable outfits and one of my favorites. This next item is an insulated-like jacket that I again paired with the same turtleneck. This next jacket is also one of the comfiest. This next long coat is one of my favorite ones as well. wasn't sure if I wanted to show this next dress because it's not really my style, but after I styled it with a belt, I couldn't help it but to really like it. I just want to show off this cute little red handbag that I got for $1. I'm not really a handbag type of girl, but I'm about to become one.